Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, we are definitely still in an uptrend. There's no questioning that. I still think it's going to end up taking out these highs and probably going up to the weekly Fibonacci extension, which I'll show you in a second, before we potentially get the end of a wave 5 and a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this is a nice impulsive move up right here. I have my Fibonacci extension measuring this right here and projecting it off the bottom of this correction. I think we need to take out the high right here, which actually tells me that the 78.6 is probably not going to be the level that it respects. I think it's more likely that it's going to go up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 155 area before we really do get a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still see this as an uptrend. There's definitely no reason to think this trend is over. I still think that this has more upside potential. And until these higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up, tell me that we are not in an uptrend anymore, I definitely will continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, kind of seems to me like this ABC right here that I have marked is actually holding. It is kind of corrective looking, but it looks like a one. It kind of looks like this is a wave two, and I think there's a pretty good chance it's going to keep on going up in a wave three. So, like I said, until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am for sure going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I got my Fibonacci extension measure in this wave, projecting off the bottom of this wave. I do think there is a very good likelihood that it will continue up. So if I see a nice pullback, I see a nice three-way pullback, especially on shorter time frames, a nice ABC correction or WXY, something along those lines, then I definitely will continue to look for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.